Okay, we have too many water bottles that we have to organize and get rid of and declutter. So I have some in here. I'm gonna have my kids pick the ones they're gonna use and the ones that we're gonna let go. That's it?
Yep.
This is what they don't want, and it's wasting space, so I'm going to get rid of it. Actually, I think I might... Let me see if this will fit in my... when I make coffee in the morning. No, it doesn't fit. I might keep this one, it's cute. Okay, I'm gonna go through this cabinet. I bought these the other day at Walmart. I may have to cut them down though. These are placemats. Can either do, I think I'm gonna do this side, it matches more. I'm going to the fall festival in my town today, and before I go, I wanted to quickly show you what I bought to organize with. This is what I'm wearing. They are these baskets that I picked up from Walmart the other day. And this one I'm using for my bathing suits. In this drawer. And this one I'm using for my sports bras. I like it because it makes the drawer not look so messy. My kitchen light fixture is up. I'm really liking it. It matches the black island. I finally have this light up in my laundry area. I'm loving the fan. It works great. All of my cups fit perfectly in here. Let's center this. When I organize, I like to keep what fits in my drawers or closets. If it doesn't fit, it has to go, because this is what will always help you keep your home look clean and tidy. I went back to Walmart and bought 2 more mats to line these drawers. I decided to match the placemats with the color of the drawers to visually help the space look clean and organized. I am going to have to move this because it gets in the way of me cooking on this island. I'm just going to put this back over here by the stove. I do like this on the island, but I will move this over. And this goes back over here. I bought a few things over the weekend to replace what I already have because it's either old or broken. Let's go put these away. I just noticed that this towel matches my pumpkin over there.